Oil change number 3, it is the 30th of May 2015 and my car is on 84,805. The last oil change was on 79, 80,000 miles. Pop the bonnet, undo the oil cap, jack it up. I'm using a 14mm socket on a ratchet because I've got a magnetic sump plug. Yours might be 17mm. Now we can remove the sump plug to drain the oil. Clean off the sump plug and throw away the old washer. You can see this one has been crushed a bit. Always put a new one on just to make sure. Leave that to drain, and when it's nearly done draining, you can get your Honda oil filter removal tool, which is this one here. You can see it's specially made for the job and fits right round the filter, and that goes on right here. There's the filter from underneath, and you'll need a 17 on that one to remove it. Right, once it's fully drained, we can get the new oil filter out. This is a Hamp, and this time I'm using Shell Helix Ultra 5W40. Let's put a bit around the seal. There's the old oil filter next to the new one. Now we can put the new oil filter on. Tighten it to the right torque settings. Get a new sump plug washer. And with your cleaned magnetic sump plug here, if you've got a magnetic one, we can now put it back in. Clean it off and tighten it up. Put the oil cap back on. Then flick the ignition on for a split second so that the oil can get into the new oil filter before you take the reading. Now you can check the dipstick. Top it up if you need to. Have a last quick check for any leaks and you're done.